Did you know that you can offer custom branded dashboards to your clients using GoHighlevel? That's right, you can customize dashboards on your sub accounts in order to deliver a branded and seamless experience to your customers. Let me show you how it works. On any of your sub accounts, we all know and love the default dashboard that shows us our opportunities, our conversion rates, our funnels, and lots of basic information. But if we want to include a branded and customized dashboard, all we have to do is click the Edit Dashboard button on the right-hand side, or we can create a new dashboard by going to the drop down on the left and clicking Add Dashboard. And then whenever we create one, either from blank, from a template library, or just modifying our current dashboard, we have the ability to add lots of different widgets and customize this dashboard's theme using a couple of cool features. First of all, if we click Add Widget, we can add widgets, elements, and themes using this screen. The themes screen allows us to change between different colors within our dashboard. As you can see, the colors of our different elements will change as we modify which theme we're going to be using, or we can add a custom one in order to brand this to our customer's brand guidelines. So if our customer uses different sets of color, let's say blue, and then they want a black background color, and then they want a white metric color, and then different colors for charts and links, we can customize all of this information here and then build a branded dashboard for our customer. And if you don't trust your design skills, don't worry, you can always use one of the pre-built themes that already look absolutely great. And of course, you can add in new elements such as titles and images. So if we want to brand this to our customer, we can add a title that has their business name and put this element at the very top of our dashboard, just like this, by dragging and dropping. And then we can save, and then we can also add a image by selecting the image element like this, uploading their logo, and then with a little bit of resizing and moving some things around, we can make this dashboard branded, custom for our client so that they feel like they're getting a truly unique experience whenever they're using our platform. We can make lots of customizations to these dashboards. We can include all sorts of widgets, elements, even embedding different pieces of information into this. But by doing this, you can brand and customize a dashboard for your clients. And you can actually offer this as an upsold service to your customers if you really want to. There's a lot of cool things you can do with branded dashboards. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.